And today I have here my long-awaited MCO card. This arrived actually over a week ago. It arrived at my parents' place, but because of lockdown I couldn't get it straight away. But finally I have it after I think nearly 6 months now, around 6 months since I first signed up for MCO cards. So long awaited, but not as long awaited as other people. And back it just says return address Birmingham. Interesting, I won't be returning it. So this is the unpackaging. As you can see, simple envelope here. Just opening it up. Okay, then here we can tear it open. Hopefully I won't make a hash out of it. It's actually the other way around. Okay, here we go. Okay, is there anything else in there? Nope. So there's the box. And then we've got a leaflet. Thank you. 2 simple words, but they have our entire team behind them. From our humble beginnings until today, customers like you that reserve their cards have demonstrated great faith in Crypto.com and share in our vision of cryptocurrency in every wallet. Today I am delighted to present you with your Visa MCO Visa card, Royal Indigo. Please activate your card with the Crypto.com app, which will allow you to buy, spend, exchange fiat and cryptocurrencies and stake MCO tokens as required. Once again, thank you. I hope you enjoy the freedom and flexibility of your MCO Visa card. We will be in touch as we develop further innovative solutions for your consideration. With warm regards, Chris. Alright, good man, Chris, good man. Let's open it up. Wow. Okay. Can I touch it? Wow. Wow. Okay, there's nothing else in the box, so it just comes with the card and the letter. And first impressions of the card, it's got a really good weight to it, and it's got a really good feel when it's in your hands. Pity it's COVID-19 at the moment, because I won't be able to pass my card physically to people, cashiers, to pay for my purchases, which is a shame because I was looking forward to kind of flaunting my card a bit. But I like the feel of it. The color's good. I chose indigo as opposed to the other for this stake level. And yeah, it's finally here. I can't wait to activate it, fund it, start earning cashbacks and the other benefits at the moment in terms of grocery shopping, cashback rebates. That will come very handy, and I'll start using this and using the benefits finally, because I've been staking for around 6 months now and I've not been able to utilize all the benefits, in particular you know, the Netflix, Spotify, as well as at the moment the as I mentioned, the grocery shopping rebate. So happy it's finally arrived, and I think it was worth the wait. It's definitely worth the wait. And if anyone of you who's been involved or reserved a card for a long time, you know that there have been delays after delays after delays, promises after promises. In terms of this year, it was meant to come out in the first quarter in January, and then it was meant to come in March, but it finally has arrived. It finally has arrived. I can't believe it. But I will have to have a go activating it and see how it goes. Activating the card was quite easy. All you had to do is going into the app, confirm a few details in terms of the date of birth and the CVV number of the card, and that was pretty much it. So in the card section we have three icons here: top up, exchange and send. Top up, you can only top up using the cryptocurrencies Bitcoin, Ripple, Litecoin and Ethereum. At the moment there's no true GBP or USDT or MCO, so you have to have one of those four cryptocurrencies in order to load up the Visa card from one of the crypto wallets at the moment. Exchange doesn't sell currency. Please try again later, not working at the moment. Send is if you have any contacts, then you can send funds over, and then there's a top right icon here, and in this screen you have the option to freeze the card. You can view your PIN, tells me my base currency, enable international usage, and full card details here. It tells you what the privileges are with MCO staked in. So you got the 3% cashback, you got the Netflix and Spotify rebate, got airport lounge, you got 6% MCO stake reward charges, and then it tells the limits in terms of withdrawal and as well as interbank rates, and just a summary of the card: metal, material, contactless payment, pay anywhere where Visa is accepted, base currency is euro or pound sterling, and that's it really. So I'll give it a go in the next few days and see how it goes.